Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Charmaine. Welcome back to another quarantine giveaway. Today's video is going to be on Dashley, and this is the lace unit 1. There's like an entire collection of this Dashley wig, but this one is the unit 1. I have her in the color T4 Ashy Blonde right here. Okay, so it says that it is ear-to-ear soft lace, and it also says that it is safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is heat safe. Let's see what else. And it also has that deep center part, which I believe is 6 inches of parting space. Now it does say that it is a lace front, but it only has like a little bit of lace in the front. It only has a little bit of lace from ear to ear, which is really not much. So there's nothing you can do with it. You can only part it down the middle, which is a good parting space. It's realistic. And it also comes with baby hairs in the front. Yeah, it says that it's heat friendly. I haven't put any heat to it, nor do I plan on putting heat to it since I'm giving it away. But it does say that it is heat friendly up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's talk about this wig. It is an ashy blonde color, which I think is pretty cute. I like it. And I also like this parting space here. It's very realistic to me. It's not like a short parting space. It's about 6 inches, and I did add some of my powder. I did add some powder into the parting space, and I also added some powder into the hairline in the front, and the little lace that's in the front. I would say that this wig is a throw on and go. There's really not much you need to do with it since it's not lace. It's not like a lace front, even though it says that it's a lace front, but it's not really a lace front that you have to lay down. So I would say that this can be an everyday wig. You can just throw it on and go. There's really not much you need to do to it. I really don't know how long it is, but this is how long it is on me. I'm only 5 feet tall. So this is how long it is on me. It may be shorter on you if you're taller. Now this wig does shed. It doesn't shed a lot, but it sheds more than I would want it to. This is all the shedding that I'm getting from it. Okay, so it doesn't shed like a lot, but it still sheds. And it does tingle a little bit, but nothing you can't fix with like a brush, or you can just run your fingers through it. I do like the texture of the wig, and I do like the shine. It's not super shiny, so it doesn't come off as being synthetic, which is good. And it does have these little like waves, I guess you would say these are, or curls, I don't know. Which is pretty nice. There's really not much I have to say about this wig, because you only have just this little parting space here. You can't part it anywhere else except for down the middle. So if you're not a middle part person, this wig might not be for you. Let me try it. Oh, okay. I'll take that back. It can be done as a side part too. You just have to shift it over to whatever side that you want it parted on. So yeah, this is it as a side part. So you can do a side or middle part. That's interesting. I prefer the middle part. I got this wig from, I believe, Sam's Beauty. I'm not quite sure how much I paid for it, so I'll add the price down here, and I'll also link it down in the description. This wig is also going to be a part of my quarantine giveaway that I am doing. And remember, in order to participate in this giveaway, you have to be in the US. So you have to be in the US, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and you must also follow me on Instagram. And if you're interested in this wig, all you have to do is leave your Instagram name down below with your email address so I can have a way of contacting you. If you've watched my other 2 or 3 videos before this one, the past 2 weeks, you'll already know how to participate in the giveaway, but I will also leave all the information that you need down in the description box. And if you watch my other 2 or 3 videos, you'll see that I have on the same shirt. And the reason for that is because I'm filming all of them tonight. Well, not all 10, but I'm trying to get as many in as possible tonight. And it is 1:42. My baby is asleep and I'm trying to get as much as I can right now done while she's asleep. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, in this giveaway, in this wig, again, this is Dashley Unit 1, and I have her in the color T4 Ashy Blonde. So if you're interested in this unit, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and also leave your information down below. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.